Scan to unlock Sovi and ace your tests.
Hydrangeas make this sneaky. Oh, watch. We need the question that helps design an experiment linking flower color, aluminum presence, and soil pH. First, identify what the prompt is really asking. Not the chemistry details, but the best experimental question connecting all three variables, flower color, aluminum availability, and soil pH together. That is why option D stands out, because it compares hydrangea flower color across varying soil pH levels and also checks conditions with aluminum present or absent. That setup directly tests the relationship among color, aluminum, and pH, which is exactly what a strong experiment should measure, so D fits best. Well done! Option D, scan now. Trap, rushing past the actual experiment question. Rule, trust the given variables and check which choice tests them directly.